Hey, SaaSpreneurs and high levelers, welcome to day 3 of GHL Mastery, where we're going to look at one single tip every day to implement in your business to launch and grow your SaaS agency. So, today we are going to look at one huge mindset shift, which is collaboration over competition. So, this is literally June 2025. And when you walk into any networking meetings and you talk to people, oh, Go High Level is very famous. You meet 5 or 6 other people using Go High Level. So you already feel the market is saturated. Imagine people building websites using WordPress or Wix, how they must be feeling. So I think it's just understanding when there is a lot of requirement, demand, then there is a need for supply. So it's good. It's not going to be a hard sell anymore. Any room I walk into, people understand what's Go High Level and what is the power of the platform itself. So it basically sells for itself. So I think one big opportunity here is collaboration over competition, meaning each and everyone using the platform come from different backgrounds, have got different transferable skills that you can leverage it to your advantage. So I don't believe anybody is a competition for anybody, right? So you are your power, you are the secret sauce, and the skill set that you have is very different to anyone else having access to the same toolkit, right? So high level is just a toolkit, whereas your strategy, your skill set, your advice, your roadmap, that's what makes it powerful. So try to explore collaborations with people who do high level but from a different scale. So right now I've collaborated with somebody who's very good with the technical aspect. So I love the whole strategy, but I don't like sitting and doing the job. So he loves the back end stuff, whatever he does with high level, and he's all nerdy and techy. So so there's collaboration. We're not competing against each other. I don't see him as a competition. We are collaborating because we bring complementing skills to the table, and the value that we can provide to our client actually increases because we're going to put both our skill sets together. So if you approach from this angle, especially after the SaaSpreneur Summit Sydney, a lot of people are collaborating with each other, not because, they don't know high level. Everyone knows high level. Everyone has access to high level, but they have the unique skill set that they bring to the table, which another person can use. So collaboration over competition is key. So today I want you to think about who you can collaborate in the high level space that you can grow together. So don't go alone. There's a saying, right? If you want to go alone, you can only go so much. If you want to go far, then go together. So I believe there is a room for everyone. So let's use this opportunity to collaborate and grow together. All right. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video.